Reason number 348, why I love my job. Hit it! Get the fuck down. Woo! What? Well, try to go. Fucking why not? These are the times to expect. Will you be quiet? Hang on. I'm coming in. Oh, Lee, rubbish. We'll now attempt the forward push when Lee pulls the finger out of his butt. Come on, Lee! There we go. Lee, one of our less experienced forklift drivers here, pretty much destroyed most of this warehouse, as you can see. Highly dangerous, but then, fuck it. Well, hey, get down and party! Oops! Oh no! Go! And that's how we fucking do that.